Xiaomi introduced the 15 and 15 Pro, but we are still waiting for the 15 Ultra flagship. The phone is nearing its launch, as it was just certified in China with model number 25019PNF3C. The device appeared on multiple listings, and they confirm the phone will support satellite connectivity. It will also have 90W wired charging, matching its two predecessors. The satellite connectivity might be a China-only feature, as the device is certified for the Tiantong satellite used by China Telecom. It is available in a relatively small part of the globe, only in China and surrounding regions reaching the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to be an all-out flagship and will likely arrive in the first quarter of 2025. Its predecessor was introduced in February during MWC in Barcelona, and we expect Xiaomi to do the same during next year's conference, which will take place between March 3rd and 6th, 2025.